morning, guys. It's another beautiful hot day here at Hedgehog's Homestead, and I thought I'd show you the pile of onions we just harvested. Right here, this is our great big pile, and I'm going to start cleaning up these other onions. They are ready to get cleaned up, totally dry on the bottom, and we'll put those in our fridge, and then we'll start cleaning up these and these over here. And things need some water. Yeah, they dry out so quick because there's lots of them in there, and that's a small vessel. So get them some water. Everything else is looking fine. So we also brought more tomatoes in from the garden. Lots of jalapenos, some holy basil, some lemon balm, and some dill. Oh no. Let's see if I can save this little guy. This is one of our good butterflies, and they like dill. So I plan to grow plenty of dill in our garden, so I'm gonna go put them back out in the garden. Okay, Kurt. You're meowing at me and then you walk away. Okay, be a cat. Be a cat, Kurt. Okay, so here's some more dill. We'll just put him right on there. There you go, buddy. Safe and sound on some more dill. Okay, let's get processing these. They're actually pretty good looking. They're small, but they clean up good. And they're pretty darn dry. Do yourself a favor when you're processing onions, do not drop them or toss them, because you will dent them just like, you or bruise them just like you bruise an apple, and it's not good. These ones are not the ones I started from seed, and they did not do as well. So, kind of bummed about that, because I was hoping that I could just get some of these other onions and not start any by seed anymore. I can do it okay. They just always turn better when I start them from seed. So instead of buying starts, I've never gone anywhere but getting the Bonnie kind. So tell me if you guys have better luck with like those other onion seed companies. They're just so expensive, and we don't really have the budget for them. So seed is the best way for us to do it. So that's all you do is you cut off the tail and get the major dirt off. I put mine in the fridge because we're so humid here, things tend to rot easy. So far this is what we have, just a bucket full. And I just toss the stuff on the ground and then sweep it up later. It's just easier for me to do that. Oh, I have a neck thing that I put on when it's this hot that my daughter got me. That's a little air conditioner, personal air fan. I'm gonna do these onions first and then I'll work on the garlic, which are more of a mess. Here's our garlic head. It's almost as big as our onion that's right next to it. So, now with my garlic, I like to I chop it up in the blender and then I add some oil to it and then freeze it in like a cookie scoop size. And that works really, really well. I've done it the last 2 years and I love doing it that way. It's my go-to because we can take it out of the freezer. It doesn't go bad. We have like one left from last year, so I really need to get the garlic done. I know I'm not, okay, that one needs to go aside because it's a little soft. So what we'll do is I'll cut this off and then I'll put it aside and we'll basically chop that up. So I'll go get another bowl for those ones. Today. So I'm get these last ones done and then I'll put these ones in the fridge. I just put them in my crisper drawer. If it wasn't as so humid here, I would leave them out, but they tend to rot on me when I do that because it's just too warm in our house. If it was 50 degrees and as humid as it is, we could leave them out. But because it's very humid and like 71 degrees in our house, or 74 degrees in our house, we don't leave them, we put them in the fridge. Okay, that's our first pile. This one has a little spot, but I think it will be fine in the fridge. It's not like the other one that it's really soft. It's just a spot. Okay, so one, that's about what you would buy at the grocery store. And so far, these are the only ones we need to process right away. Okay, let's cut the ends off of these garlic. These are super dirty because I harvested them when it was wet, but I needed to get them out of the ground. I don't recommend harvesting your garlic when it's wet outside, but if you have no other choice, go for it. Oh, gotcha. How dare you guys try to follow me? Ugh. Okay. All right, I think that's all I'm going to do today. I'll finish harvesting these tomorrow, and I'm just going to let them be. My back is at its limit today, and so I'm just done. I'm going to put this in the compost and then be done with my day. And so, yeah, that's it. God bless you guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this harvest of onions, and there's plenty more to come. I gotta get on this garlic, but I gotta pace myself. I'm not on any pain medicine anymore, and so it's affecting my liver, and so I need to not use that, so I'm taking a break from it. So God bless you guys. We'll see you guys next time here on Hedgehog's Homestead. Bye. What a mess. What a mess.